I think Everyday Rebellion movie, it's not just a film that can inspire people, it's the film actually that is forcing people to go in the street and to fight for their rights. I think this film by itself is a huge protest. It's not just a movie, it's not just nice or interesting movie, it's a great instruction for activists. Actually, you know, it can look like that this film is a good for those who are not activists yet. It's a good help for those who wants to become activists. But being activist, I can say that this film is a great help for us as activists, because we know that this film will do a great job to inspire other people to join our cause. Fight every day, watch Everyday Rebellion.